Hey guys, Trent here from How To Haven, back again with another quick tutorial, and today I am going to show you how you can permanently delete your Instagram account, not just temporarily deactivate it. And before we get into it, I just want to say, if this video helps you at all today, please consider leaving a super like, or just get right into this. It's very quick and easy, and you kind of need a direct link because it's almost impossible to find. So I'm going to put that link in the description of this video. It's going to want you to log in. So let's go. Oh, I'm going to delete this old Instagram account. Oops. But yeah, you're going to have to log in if you're not already logged in. So once you get logged in, it's going to bring you. Don't want to save that. It's going to say delete your account. Why? You can also find the temporarily deactivate section right here if you want to do that instead. But just pick any reason. I'm going to just say it'll just tell you a few more things. If you continue, your profile and account details will be deleted on August 12th. So it takes about a month. And they'll hide your details until then. Just hit OK. And boom, your account will be deleted on August 12th, 2023. You can log back in and change your mind if you want, but you're probably not going to do that. Anyways, guys, if this helped, you know what to do. Peace.